For me, good, good process. Yeah, not yet very good.
Okay. How about you, Pascal?
Yeah, trading for me last week was good. Was good actually. For I ended this week in very little loss from the original pri- balance I started with. This is something that I've been struggling with for like 2 months, but
Okay.
last was very fine. At least I made and lost, yes, but I didn't go like way below the balance as I used to normally before.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there have been lots of significant changes for me. I now tend to understand price intentions way better than before. So I've been doing a lot of back tests and I've been jotting a lot of things down. So yes, last week, even if I wasn't like up in profit, but I was up in terms of knowledge and understanding.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Makes sense. That's great. Who else on the call? Okay, the
Alta.
dreamer is here and Altaf. I was trading last week, bosses. The dreamer and Altaf.
Yo, I didn't trade much last week because I traveled and I wasn't really in the right headspace.
We're cool.
I traded on Monday.
Okay.
This is me talking. This is Joseph Dreamer.
Okay.
I traded on Monday and Monday was
Is
Okay.
your name Joseph? Is your name Joseph?
yeah, my name is Joseph now. Aaron's a dreamer now because Joseph
I
was a dreamer in the Bible, yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
I had no clue. All right. Okay.
Yeah, so I didn't trade much, but it was a profitable week overall.
Okay.
Right.
Davidson is calling the dreamer Yusuf. Nah, that's not Yusuf. Did that sound alike? I don't know.
No,
Mhm.
no, 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 no. I
Yeah,
doubt.
Yusuf is actually Joseph, right? It's like Joseph.
Yeah. Joseph, you just
Yeah,
say that.
yeah,
Mm.
Joseph. But it's actually Joseph, the
Yep.
Christian version.
Oh, Joseph. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
Joseph, the Christian version. Yeah,
The Christian Joseph.
yeah, the
Yep.
Christian Joseph. Yes.
Yep. Well, for me, I did not trade much last week. I was just taking a few trades every day, few trades, and till we got to Friday. Although few quality trades per se. And yeah, the week ended in profit, except on Monday. I think on Monday was in loss, 2 losses, and yeah, I ended on Monday with losses, no profit at all. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and I missed this whole sell, this move right here. Let's see. All right. So should we start from Friday's price action, or what price action are we going to review? Or if you guys have any questions, let's answer them.
Hmm.
Personally, I don't
This is
I don't
FXC.
have questions because most of the time, I've been answering my questions due to the back test I've been doing lately.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
Actually, okay, like Friday or
Okay,
the high time frame.
okay.
Because we wanted to look for true BOS, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, actually, because I also go long around here. I take long all this way, but I just got BE for this.
and then it moved.
But it's like okay, I know that 4 hours is something like this. Yeah,
Yeah,
and then we were looking for like true BIOS.
yeah.
So now if not mistaken, this is the external. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So all these are internal.
Okay.
So no matter what, no lah, because if Friday it go through here, then we will wanna see a TLQ, is it?
Okay.
But now it seems like it already took the liquidity and then falling back. So Monday, is it that possible that we will be aiming for true BOS or no?
Okay.
Yeah.
If you're talking about that, right? Then we should do a
Mhm.
top-down analysis. Let's hear everybody's thought process about this week's price action, how this week is going to go. Okay, so we'll do a top-down analysis now and see here. Okay. So we'll look at 4 hours first. If there's nothing interesting happening, then we can push higher and analyze the chart, okay? Now let's see what we are having. External structures. We have this. Good, 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 good. Okay. 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 Good. Perfect. Perfect. So now we have this, right? So this low is through break of structure right here. Okay.
Mhm.
If this low is through break of structure, now what we are having, this could be our MSUPY because of this
Okay.
liquidity that price took out. So this could be our MSUPY where price was reacting from. And I think that's why most traders took sell from here. Most algo traders took sell from here. So this could be our MSUPY, so price could fall all the way to here. So this is based on 4 hours, right? And then
Mhm.
if you are looking at external structures, we'll have this marked up, recent structures, right? We'll have this
Yeah.
marked up. So if we'll be intending to take on taking buys, right? Price might be coming for this low right here, which is our possible inducement, then it might also want to do this. But if it
Yep.
false, which means this MSCPUI right here was a valid one, and price took out the low right here. So this is what
Okay.
the 4 hours is saying, right? So let's look at other
Mhm.
time. Let's look at higher time frames so we don't get lost. So if this is daily time frame, everything here is internal. Okay. Everything
Yeah.
here is internal. Price was coming from this daily demand zone. Okay, price was coming
Mhm.
from this daily demand. So everything here is internal. So now we have this internal high here. You see now this from daily time frame, we have internal high, this internal low, this low right here. So price might want to do this and give us a daily price delivery, maybe coming here to drop. But then because this daily time frame, price might want to go down a little bit to take out that low from the 4 hours and then do this. Okay, from the daily, we might be anticipating this. Then let's see what weekly and monthly would be saying. Same way, we still have this that is yet to be taken out, the weekly SLQ. So yeah, so the push down might actually hold. And then the monthly, okay, yeah, monthly price is coming from here. And this might be possibly a possible monthly ILQ. So the push down right here is what we'll be anticipating. So let's go back to our lower time frames.
Sorry, from the monthly, I don't think that's ILQ.
Where this,
It points you mark as ILQ.
this,
That
this,
is also ARQ.
Yeah,
yeah,
it
this,
is. It is.
this
I
Correct,
just
ILQ.
correct.
I just checked. I just checked.
Alrighty, alrighty.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, before you go, can you change back to monthly?
All right.
Because it's like we know that this is our MSUs also ILQ, and then it react from this BOI, and then this is our true BOS. But now this is also oops, sorry, my bad. I mean, but now this is also ILQ. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So I mean it's like what which should we look at? Because from if we look at here, we should
Uh-huh.
going until here.
Yes.
But if we look at here, after it come back and react from this, and then
Uh-huh.
we want it to come here. So
Yes.
which should we look at? Yeah.
We should look at the present possible move. Because if we
Okay.
take a short here, remember this monthly time frame. Do you want to take a short here and hold all the way to this low? Nah.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we should look at the possible the immediate setup that's happening, which means we want price to fall all the way to this low. But where would be
Yes.
our first target? This ILQ. Because for price to take this out, price can do anything from here. Price can react from here.
Yeah.
And go up.
Definitely.
Yeah. So if we
Agree.
take a sell now, we'll take a sell to target this low here. And when price comes into this PUI, then we can be looking for possible hedge to continue the buy. Do you get
Okay.
that? Yeah, but if price
Yep.
if price breaks through this level, then probably price we could take this out.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So let's go back to 4 hours and price reacting from this week right here. This is where price reacting from on the 4 hours. And this would be our first target right here. Okay, this will be our first target because this is also 4 hours IOQ. Price can take this out and then push higher. Okay, so this would be our target for the sales. And also this MSUPUI, for this MSUPUI to be complete, price needs to take out this low here. So you see this target and this target, they are very close to each other. So take note of this guy right here. Then going to H1, okay, this was a news move, right? So this PUI is a trap and this low is also a trap. So price might take this out right here. So that's what we have for H1. Plus, price also reacting from the refined H1 week right here. Price reacting from this week right here. So price took out this level of liquidity. Not this one right here. This was what price took out. So now, to bank on the sales, we just want to keep looking for re-entries on the price, take this out. Okay, so we have to wait for Asian session to play out. Asian might do all of this, and then New York might get pushed down, or maybe price might even break out of this. So that's what H1 is saying. Now you see our bias is to sell all the way to target this lows right here. These are the first targets, okay? Then we talk about the other targets from the higher time frame. So right now, our intentions are to like sell to target these lows right here. So when we keep going on lower time frames, 30 minutes, since price is coming from this higher time frame POI, this might happen, but because I always choose higher time frame over lower time frame, I might not want to buy from here. Okay, I might not want to buy from here. I might still be banking on the sales. So on 15 minutes, we still have this liquidity level here. If this is a bearish candle, then price is going to be reacting from an MSUPY on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's look at that to see. I think that's on this broker, this should be a doji and indecision candle. So no candlestick color. So I'm not going to mark that out as a structure point. So on 15 minutes and also 30 minutes, this is possible IOQ. But trust me, since I know price might want to fall, I would not want to look for buys here. Unless Asian session does otherwise and go higher, then and breaks out this PUI here, then I might want to change buyers. So this is what we have on 15 minutes. Now I would not want to go lower because we're still in the weekend. We'll have to wait for Monday Asian session to play out before we see what the market is doing, and then we'll know how to react from what's happening. But for me right now, I'll be looking to short. Yeah, is anybody seeing any other thing? Let him share so we'll know how to react to the market on Monday. Yeah. Are you guys seeing any other thing that will make you want to like go long or maybe short with me? 1, 2, 3.
No. Probably.
So, I
not.
don't know.
I said I'm not seeing anything.
Oh, how about now? Okay, you're not seeing anything, right? Okay. So you are probably also looking for short, right? Any other person?
Let's say I'll be looking for shorts and most likely longs because I now tend to consider M15 as a higher time frame as
Yeah.
well. Yeah, because from a back test, I noticed that price sometimes, oftentimes actually, respects M15 structure. Probably for it might not be like a very long move, but more like a pullback and then to give like a 5 hour or so.
Okay.
But until tomorrow, we'll see what a Asian session does.
Yeah, exactly. Nice. Alrighty. So this is what I'll be looking for. Short until this low gets taken out. Yep.
From last week, we were looking to short somewhere. I think this week.
Okay.
This we just now I'm looking at it, and then I was wondering if the losses there were valid ones, because I was not seeing this as a liquidity fed into the H4 MSU point of interest.
Okay.
Yeah, because I didn't sell actually, but I just put the short positions on TradingView because I was already done for the day, and then there were a couple of losses somewhere here and here. I think can't really remember.
Okay. Okay. I got you.
But now looking at chart, it looks more clearer. This is looking like trend line liquidity fed into this POI. But
Yeah.
then if price had respected any of these points of interest and fallen, I will not be saying it's a liquidity. So
Yeah.
it's fine. Fine.
All right. Cool. Cool. That makes sense. That makes sense. So we are considering this as a liquidity build up. So oh,
But yo, Pascal, why were you looking for shorts in the middle of the range there?
Looking for shorts to take
In here.
retracement.
Okay, retracement. Okay.
Yes, because this is my H1 structure. So I was
okay.
probably going to short into the H1's EPA.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So I don't know if there's something I'm meant to learn here. I'm open to learning because learn every day.
I get you. I get you.
So, a dreamer, you call this middle of the range.
Yeah, isn't it the middle of the range?
I still don't have a very good understanding of what people call middle of the range.
Okay, like what I'm saying, based on what I'm saying, I'm on my phone, so the stuff might not be straight, but
No problem.
if you have this high in here
Mm-hmm.
and you have this low here, you have all this here. From this high to this low, right? That is the range, right? So anything inside here that is not at the extreme is middle of the range. Any POI you see here, you see here, you see here, that's the middle of the range. So
Okay.
for me, anything that is at the extreme requires lesser confirmations compared to POIs at the middle of the range. For example, if I'm taking a trade, let me erase all this. For example, if I'm taking a trade inside here, once I see, okay, this is H1, right? H1 POI, I'll first wait for maybe M15 rejection candle, wait for all the M3 MSUs and all that. But
Yeah.
if it's at the extreme of the range, just a corresponding candle, rejection candle is enough for me as confirmation,
Okay.
right? If it's at the extreme, for example, I'll just wait for this kind of rejection, maybe bearish candle close on M15, then just use the M15 maybe resistance or something to take a trade, regardless of MSUs or inducements or whatever.
Okay.
But middle of the range is actually very tricky to trade, at least in my experience.
Yeah. So this
Just you stack up losses that way.
from this top, you won't call it an extreme. Probably this week here.
Yeah, until we get to the extreme POI, very, 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 very extreme. I'll look at this. I can't see
So let me clear my.
Yeah, it's clear now.
okay. If I'm looking at anything, because I can't really like see the H1 ranges in here. Is this the high? Is this external?
Okay. From my own, from what I'm seeing, this is the H1. I don't know if this is something.
Yeah, this is the structure points right here. This high. Yeah, the one using is marking. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, the one
So
on Oris.
personally, I'll not be looking. Okay. So personally, I'll not even be looking for maybe a short in here. Only if, at least from H1, if we have maybe M15 structure and this is external structure, if it's M15 structure and it's external structure, then I could be looking for a short in here.
Okay, good.
Joseph, you say where? If the M15 ILQ or that.
Yeah, he left. I think he has the
Oh,
internet
Yeah,
issue. Yeah.
yeah.
okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
because I did took I think I did took 1 or 2 cells in this range. It's because
Okay.
that I saw it might be also ILQ for the H1 no, not H1 ILQ SLQ
SLQ.
yeah. So it's like, and then I lower to the lower time frame,
Yeah.
and I think yeah, I think I shouldn't lower it to the 1 minute. Yeah, I should
Okay.
keep the structure to 5 minute and 15 minute so that I could avoid these losses. Yeah.
Okay.
But
Yeah, because yeah, go ahead, bro.
no, I mean in 1 minute there is very possible after the
Yes.
PB, and then it could be taken like Gus took the cell, I think around here, Gus to
Yeah.
here is already have 10R, I think, probably. Yeah.
Okay.
But I
Okay.
didn't took it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
And one thing I want to ask, like, okay, so all these are range, and then this is the 1 hour POI. So from here, can we look at here like is it that if we want to take a shot here, is there
Okay.
any opportunity for us to short like what we learned from what we
Yeah.
learned? Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll look at that.
Okay,
Yo,
cool.
I can't clear my drawings. I don't know why.
Hold on, I'll clear them for you. Alrighty, thanks. Because this was an obvious liquidity build-up. So I would not even be looking at anything here. Even if I get a behavior, a delivery, get multiple opportunities, I won't still take, because this is just a trap. And due to the news actually went up to like take out all of this build-up. So let's
And
see.
then,
Yeah, let's see if we got an opportunity here. I need some puts.
sorry. Before you move lower,
Yeah.
can you just move the chart to the right a little bit? Yes. So I just realized something. So it's the structure of H1. This
Okay.
is what H1 did. I don't know if you can call this a double inducement, something like that. You see? And then probably this might be like a two breaker structure for the H1.
Okay. Okay.
So it simply depends on how we are seeing price, and then what the higher time frame too is also saying.
Exactly. That's why we looked at them 4 hours and the other time frame. You
Yes.
get it? Yeah. So let's see here. Okay. So we had this. I don't know. Let me look at other brokers and see what happened here. If this was a bearish candle,
From other broker is bullish candle.
bullish candle. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Then let's see. On 5 minutes now, this was a behavior into this POI. Okay. So after the liquidity build-up has been taken out, price reacted from that H1 POI. Okay. Although this high was still H1 SLQ. Okay, that had
correct.
SLQ. Good. So we got a behavior, and this behavior could actually be a trap. Okay, it could actually be a trap. Price might still take that out, because where price is reacting from, just slightly above it, we have a last H1 SLQ. So this was the behavior, fake BOS inducement into this, and then we got a 5-minute rejection candle here. Okay, still based on the 5 minute, let's see if we can get an entry. Still based on 5 minutes, we had all of these structure points right here. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's see. I think that high was not taken.
No.
Good, that high was not taken. So possibly after price give us this, I might not be trading this engulfing right here. this mitigation of engulfing here. So after the behavior and price got into this, then let's see lower time frames. Then when we go to 3M, the behavior still stands, okay? And then we had this external right here. We have this right here. Still nothing on 3 minutes, okay? But on 1 minute, I'm sure there will be an opportunity to take trades on M1. If you guys see an opportunity, you let me know also. It's good. So on M1,
What else, yeah?
yeah, on M1, after this massive behavior on 5M and 3M, we had this one. Let's see. Hold on. Good. So we had this on M1, this low right here, this high, this low, which means we had a delivery right here on M1. This was the delivery, an internal fake break, an internal inducement, and then price came into, was it this week? Yeah, price came into this week. Although this was also another possible delivery. But since price came into this, and then we can take the trade here based on the bearish candle closure right here. Okay, we might take this trade based on candle closure. And for break even, when price breaks out to level of external structure, that's where we want to go break even. So at this low, so maybe all of this would still be a valid one. And then after this entry here, let's see if we get another entry on the M1.
Sorry. Can we call this a VPD?
Where is that? Okay. Yes,
Price,
we can call that
price is not
VPD.
okay.
Yeah, we can call that a violated price delivery, and then we might take an entry here, a snipe here. Yeah, so this VPD. I'm still trying to get used to this concept, the VPD
Same.
and the MPD. Yeah, I'm still trying to get used to it. That's why I did not even look at this, but this one here was valid. And then to look for other entries, we had this structure point here, everything internal. I think I'll just take this one and not stress myself out on any other entry. Maybe after price broke out of this range, then there will be an entry somewhere around here, still on the M1. And even if you take an entry here, let's see how this would have been. Oh, this is already like 10R. This is already like 10R. So looking for your entries. Now, I ain't seen any re-entry here. Nope, I'm not seeing any re-entry unless this one right here. This would be one re-entry. This would be another re-entry. Then maybe this would be another re-entry here. Okay, that if your stop loss is protected, this would have been another re-entry here. Yeah, so there was actually an entry based on the 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and then the M1. Right.
But I want to ask because for M1, okay,
Hold on.
yeah, here.
Okay.
So M1, this is the ILQ, okay, but it broke two external.
Yeah.
So is this still valid for short?
It's still valid for short. Because remember, M1 is full of noise, right? 3M
Yeah.
and 5M is more clearer. Since we got this
Okay.
reaction, we know price will be pushing down.
Okay.
Price might be giving you signs of buying, but all of those buys might just be like
Trap.
fake out. Yeah, might
Okay.
just be like trap. Even if price takes out, this was the ILQ here. Even after price takes out the ILQ, in order for you to take short, what are you supposed to wait for is CSP. And you see, there was
CSP.
CSP until this bearish candle closure or this engulfing right here.
Mm-hmm.
You get, so even
Okay.
if you want to take trade here, you will not get stopped out based on the sell. But if you want to buy from here, then that would be a trap. If we can go on a higher time frame, all of this noise right here, they're going to like reduce. So we'll go on 3M. You can see what 3M is just showing us, just the subjective structure and nothing else. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, bro.
And yeah, but nothing because yeah, like you say, if I look at M1, it's very noisy.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. So I'm still having doubt if this will hold because of that SLQ here. But let's just see how tomorrow will be. Let's see how tomorrow is going to happen. Yep.
Yeah, for the 1 minute, brother, can you change to 1 minute?
Okay, hold on a bit. Yeah, this M1.
Here. Okay. Yeah, just now you say that because this is the structure.
Yeah.
So this is the SLQ, right?
Yeah, SLQ. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for that.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I called it PD, but that was SLQ. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
If we don't entry here,
Okay.
this is also another opportunity, right? Here or here for the MPD.
MPD. Trust
Yeah,
me,
for the MPD.
after this entry here, I'll not look at any other thing here unless this right here might be my entry. Okay.
Okay,
And
cool.
remember on higher time frame we had engulfing. Okay, on higher time frame, right here was engulfing. So probably at the mitigation of the engulfing. Then on M1, I'll wait for a CSP to take a trade. Because if we have engulfing, right, we have an engulfing candle. At the mitigation of that engulfing, okay, you can take your trade. But what makes it more valid is that at the mitigation of that candle, we can get a CSP, most especially a rejection CSP. After engulfing, we want to see the CSP. That's going to make it more valid, okay? But these days, I cannot even remember the last time I took a trade based on engulfing. I only use CSP, rejection candle, and the candle closure. The engulfing hardly forms on the M1 or hardly gives or hardly forms where there is PB or PD. Okay. But I think for this there was an engulfing. Right here, yeah, on the 5M. So at the mitigation of the engulfing, which would be here, right here, then we can go on M1 and look for a CSP, and then stop loss should be above the engulfing candle. Does that make sense?
Yep.
All right. Yeah. So everything is clear about the cells here. Let's even see. Last week, hold on, Friday. Does anybody know if there was an entry opportunity like on Friday? That before the news, a buy opportunity before the news. Was there any opportunity?
Yeah. You know, I was in, but then price it gives like a whipsaw and slapped me out and ran up.
Oh,
So yes.
I
That's
remember.
basically why I was like crying in the group that time.
Yeah, price
So
almost everybody got stopped out just because of that whipsaw. Because everybody held on to the buy, but then almost
yeah,
everybody went break even. Okay. And
actually, but
yes, exactly. And then this right here.
yeah,
Unless you were a master sniper, then this would not have taken you out. And I just remember too, I took a sell. Before the news, but man, let me see. Okay, yeah, this was the news. Good. So this was what happened. I took a sell on this rejection candle right here. Okay. So when I took the sell, okay, this was the whipsaw. Price came here before going higher. Good. When I took the sell, I had not gone break even. Okay. So I did this. This low right here. After placing the sell, right, like a minute before the news, I wanted to like set my TP because I was not like feeling to even trade. So I wanted to set my TP. And then I went to modify my order. And then I imputed the TP. I was trying to click modify, but it was not showing, like nothing was happening. And then I go back to the chart and I saw this. I was like, oh wow. Because price actually came down on price actually took out this low. I think it did.
Yeah.
yeah.
Exactly.
In some brokers, on Wanda it did not, but then
Exactly.
on Fusion Market it took out that low.
Yes,
Dude,
correct.
that was Fusion, yes. Because I wanted to TP out there because that was a massive RR. I wanted to set TP out here. But then the move was just so fast that my TP I was not able to modify it. And then price just did this, took out the low, and then went high. I was like, wow, I had bad luck. My luck was not all good at that moment. Price just took out the low and then started going high. I was like, okay, cool. Yeah, so there was an entry here, but maybe this would be BE right there for the buys. And price just kept on going higher without stopping, without any room for stopping. And for cases like this, right, when price is moving during news, right, or maybe just a normal move, and most traders fail to catch the move from the onset, from the origin, right? Trust me, any slight rejection on the M1, they want to look for sell. Any slight rejection, they want to look for sell. And that's how you keep getting massive losses in a row. So when this happened, I just like stayed out of the market. I was like, okay, let's see where price is going to go. Yeah, and that was it for Friday. So London was just ranging in preparation for NFP. Wow, just building liquidity everywhere, building liquidity and all of that. Yep. Wow. Interesting.
So actually, there is nothing to enter here, right? Because my entry was here, and then I got BE from this one.
Okay. Yeah, there was nothing to enter from here, unless if you actually want to trade the news. You want to trade at that news minute. Okay, hold on a bit.
Because I saw fiber just simply entry here, somewhere around here.
Yeah, somewhere around here. Yeah, unless you want to trade that news move. Okay, hold on. Well, unless you want to trade out that news move. This was a 5-minute wick plus a 5-minute liquidity that just got taken out here. So if you are not able to set limit here and then you want to jump in, probably you would enter somewhere here, jump in, okay? That's if you're actually setting off the price direction. You're actually setting off, okay, price going to buy, then you can just trade this aggressively. But don't forget to always use stop loss. Okay, don't forget to use stop loss because price might just and mess
definitely.
mess up your account.
Like what's his name?
Yeah.
Priest.
You said?
I mean,
Are you calling me?
yeah. I don't.
Okay,
so
Priest.
how to? Sorry. How to address you? Yeah.
Okay. No problem. You can call me Priest. I will respond.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
So can you like explain how you took this?
Okay, the buy. All right.
Yeah.
Bob, please can you go to M15?
M15, I got you. Hold on a bit.
Okay, can you zoom in a little bit?
Alrighty. Is this okay?
No, it's way too much. Like I want to see the it's fine now. It's fine.
We can't hear you clearly. Not
No,
loud.
I mean it's fine now. It's fine.
Okay, cool.
Okay. So the main reason why I took that buy is because one, news was close by. Secondly, I saw this liquidity here. And I knew that for price, because news is coming up, price will have to take liquidity using the news as as a very fast move. So and I think my what's it called? My M15 was bullish at that time. Can't really remember. Can't really remember the. I'm coming. Let me get to.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, so this was basically my M15 structure. Price took this out. That is one. Price took out the SLQ and then moved up. Price could not take out the high. Price came back and took out this as double inducement. Can you hear me well?
Yeah.
Yeah, as double inducement. Double inducement.
15 minute is like this. So this is the 5 minute. I think it's 5 minute double inducement.
Yeah. Okay. Well, this is SLQ. Yeah. This is SLQ. then personally, I'll see okay, I'll just see this as double inducement because this is the low that took out this one. That's messy. So after this low was taken out, I saw a price delivery.
Okay.
And then the price delivery is also on M5. So I went down to M5. Bob, please can I go to M5? Yeah. Yeah, I went down to M5. I saw this as the low and I saw this as a point of interest. This was just my point of interest. So price came into here. I was observing price. Then price gave me a M1 engulfing candle. So I entered immediately after the engulfing candle.
Where was this one here? Okay,
Yes.
yeah.
So the M15 price delivery, M1 unmitigated week and M5 unmitigated week and M1 engulfing candle. That was my reason for entering the trade.
Okay, nice.
M5. If not mistaken, M5 there was
SLQ?
was external. All these are external. Wait, let me double check. Here. So no, sorry. So this is the external.
Okay. So okay, now let's say price took out M5 ILQ.
Okay, here. Yeah,
And
correct.
yes, and mitigated this week.
Here, this week.
Yeah.
Then I took my entry based off M1 engulfing candle.
So 15
Yeah,
M price
correct.
delivery, right?
Yes,
5
M5
M ILQ,
ILQ and
5 M
CSP and mitigated week.
and M1
Okay.
M1 week. There are some times I don't always wait for entry models because
Okay.
once I see mitigation and there is a CSP on lower time frame, I always take the trade like that. It works for me. So that's the major reason why I took that buy immediately after I saw M1 week, coupled with
Okay.
news coming up and then liquidity that was built
Build
around
up.
this level.
Yeah, true. Makes sense. That makes sense. So Davison, is that clear? Do you get what I said?
Yes, clear for me because I took the long here. Why I took the long here is because 5-minute double inducement. And then 1 minute is PB. And then
Okay.
reactor, I think is if not mistaken, is reactor to POI also. Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
correct. Reactor to POI, and then I took it. So which means 5 minute double inducement ILQ, and then 1 minute is PB, and then unmitigated week, and then CSP. But a long way, and then come back. Yeah, I also
Yeah.
crying.
Yeah, that was just manipulations everywhere. We saw before the news.
So so boss, for you, if like you took the long here, and then after BE, you will took another buy,
Yes.
will you?
Yeah, I would.
Yes. Okay.
I'll take another buy. I need to be after this one here. Although this low got taken, but maybe I will take one here. I'll take a buy here. But this one, I am not sure I will take this one right here. I am not sure. Maybe a re-entry, but I would have taken this one. But still, that would still end up a break even. Yeah.
Yeah, we might still end in break even. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Definitely is over already because unless you say too structure, then it's still right.
Yeah, true.
No, here.
Yeah.
Somewhere around. So we'll be 2.
Yeah, I would still, even before the news, I would want to go break even, even if it does not break out of the 2 level of structure, because we had news coming in. So I would want to protect my capital. So I will still go break even nevertheless.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understandable. Is you will took the buy here after the break even is because that you saw another M5 ILQ and then M15 PD. So you will took this buy. Am I right?
Yeah, yes.
But if there is no this the M5 PD, the M15 PD, then after the break even you will just let it go.
Just let it go, yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay. Correct.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome, really. You, I think I saw Gavin in here. Oh, Gavin, how have you been, bro? Okay. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's on mute. Alrighty. And well, let's see how Monday is going to be. For I would love to short EU. So okay, for this sell here, I think this was nope. Yeah, this was last week. There was this sell that happened coming Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Hold on. Okay. No problem, bro. It's all good. Okay, now this was 27 July now, last week. Yeah, nothing interesting. So anybody got anything that okay. All right, bro. Bye-bye. Take care. Monday now, I did not go over Monday. You want us to go over Monday? Let's see. Okay.
Monday.
In my session, I saw 2 trades on 15 minutes time frame IOQ. So let's see. Okay, this was Monday right here. It was Monday, London session, New York session. Hey, Gavin, you can just annotate, right? Where was your trade? You said 2 15 minutes IOQ, right? So let's see
The
where
15-minute ILQ is here. So I don't
Okay.
think it's ILQ. Is it
Okay,
SLQ?
probably
It's probably internal range.
internal range.
Yeah, I think it's
More like a
internal.
PD. Yeah, exactly. This was just external
The
high,
I
external low.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe the 15 minutes. Yeah, okay, good. So maybe the 15 minutes IQ was talking about was just internal structure on Monday. So let's see where we're there. We had this one here. This buy right here, but price failed. Okay, it's marking up. Okay.
Yeah, that might be the buy and then the short
Okay.
also.
Cool.
Is it better to short around here and then buy around here?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it's like our ultimately is want to wait for the true BOS, right? Because Monday is after this 4 hours took all this around here, and then we might wanna looking for the true BOS. So it's like
Okay.
how to say
I get you.
yeah, something like that.
Okay, don't worry, Gavin. We'll go to 5 minutes now. Hold on a bit. Go on 5M. This was 15 minutes high and 15 minutes low. So let's see what 5M is saying. I think 5M is still the same structure because we had 5-minute range low, 5-minute range high. Everything here is just internal. So all we are looking for that day was price delivery to sell. And then on 5M, price took out this last SLQ on 5M right here. Yeah, I know you marked out this one. You marked out here for yourself. So price actually took out this 5-minute last SLQ here. So when it took out the last SLQ, then we were having a possible failure swing, even on 15 minutes. So after price took this last SLQ out right here, then there was a sell here, which we'll look at. Because trying to trade any buy here, it was just internal. Maybe you just be focusing on internal levels of structure. Because for this London open right here, all of this was internal. And one thing I don't like doing is trading inside of an external range, unless it is price delivery. But when the range is actually a large range, okay, I just want to avoid the range and then look at other things. So I think during New York, after price took out the last SLQ, failed to do this, okay, I'm sure there was a buy opportunity, a sell opportunity right there on the lower time frame. So let's
Yeah,
see.
there was one. I took a shot there, but I got stopped out at first.
Okay.
A shot somewhere. I don't remember where. I think after M15 price behavior, I took a
Okay.
shot maybe here. Or yeah, it's probably around here. Then I got stopped out. I took this shot at first. I took this one.
Okay.
Then I made like 5R from it. Then price took me out at break even. I took another one here. I got stopped out. So I just stopped trading for that day because I was not really in for trading because I was backtesting all through that day. So
Okay, I got you. I got you. Yeah, so Gavin, I think this was the entry here, just like Pascal said. We got a violated PD here. Because after this PD, price mitigated this, gave us this rejection candle. So if we are to take this sell right here, okay? Remember what I always say by you protecting your stop loss. Like, it doesn't matter if you're having a 4 pip stop loss or 5 pip stop loss. If you want to like be a sniper, you use 1 pips, but it's not worth it. Okay, it's not worth it. Just use stop loss that are comfortable with. Stop loss that is protected by structure. So if you are to take this right here, there are two ways to place a stop loss. One above the rejection candle, or above this high or this whole POI. So this was the point of interest here. Okay, so above this POI would actually be a nice way of placing stop loss. So you place it this way, this would be like 4 pip stop loss and you would be safe. Or if price take us out here, then this would be a violated PD. I know this is actually hindsight. So this is a violated PD. So I don't know if I would re-enter here after this candle closure and SL. But I'm sure I will. I would have taken the trade right here also. That's if I took this and got stopped out, I would have taken this one based on the violated PD and then to go lower.
yeah, sorry, can I say something else? Even looking at price after the violated PD, it gave MPD again. So
Oh
maybe like
yeah, true that.
confirmation. And even if someone like breaks even, someone like me, sometimes I break even at 2R. If price comes back up, I can still have another PD for a sell.
Yeah. That's true. MPD, PD everywhere for just re-entries,
Yeah.
re-entries and all of that. And then I want to see how I got in these trades. I don't know if I was the one that placed these two. Let's see. Okay.
Yeah, M5.
Yeah, M5 PD. M5 PD high got taken out. And then wait for CSP on M1. So on M1, we got first candle closure after the PD got taken out, but that was the L. And then re-entry, we still got
VPP.
rejection candle. Yeah, that made us to the sell. Yeah, I hope you understand now, Gavin.
Yeah, so it's like you guys will always take like, okay, if the first trade is
Oh, sorry.
L, the first trade is L, and then the second trade is like VPD, you just take another trade. And
Yeah.
if also it L's, so you will be have 2 L's. Let's say you set 4 L's for a day. So if like this is 2 L's already, so you just don't care, you just take it.
Yes. As
Okay.
long as that setup is still valid. So assuming this high, after this L here, this high got taken out without a CSP, then I would not want to take another trade. But because of this powerful rejection CSP here, that was why this trade was taken.
Okay, understandable.
Yeah, bro. Cool. Yeah. let's see who's something. You always re-enter UCSP there. Yeah, I re-enter UCSP there. Plus, if the setup is a valid one. So now, you know, this high was our external high on the 5M and 15M. So now, after this price delivery got violated here and we got a candle closure, I took the trade here. So assuming there was no candle closure, I took an L here. Assuming there was no candle closure here and price kept on going higher, to take this out, then prices have violated that setup. So I would not want to trade again, even if I get a CSP here. As long as this high has been taken, I would not want to sell again. But if price did not take out this high, then that setup is still a valid one. Hope that makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hope that makes sense too, Gavin.
It's just like I not get used to it, to the MPD and VPD.
Yeah. You just with time, okay, as you keep on back testing, you're going to understand them, okay? Slow and steady. Yep. Right.
But brother, can you back to
The Monday?
yeah, I think around here. Yeah.
Okay.
In lower time frames, yeah.
All right.
Like 1 minute. Yeah. So I want to ask that, okay, let's say you took here, you took this for
Okay.
two external structure, right? So is it this will be one and then this will be the second one?
No.
No. So this
External
will be the
structure.
first one and then this will be the second one.
Nope. No, still. Look at this. We have external, external,
So
external.
okay, cool.
1, 2.
Two. Okay, cool.
You get that? Yeah. That makes sense now, right?
Yes.
All right.
Because if you go for like 3 hours or 2 hours BE, then this will be BE again.
Yeah, that would be again. Yeah.
But it's like your way to external, then it's still very good for this trade.
Exactly. Because
Okay, cool.
because price might give us a reason to go back to your entry price, just like this. This high was liquidity. So price was showing us that it might come back to take out the liquidity before dropping. Okay, so that's why.
But it's also you will enter if okay, let's say like we use 2RB, some of us use 2R or 3RB. Like here is another PD also, right?
Uh-huh.
To enter here.
Yeah.
So after the BE, we might still can enter because it's still valid
Yeah.
unless
I'll fascinate that.
unless it's broke here, right?
Yes. Exactly.
But if like you already got one trade here, will you still entry another here?
Yes, I would.
So you will have taking 2 trades.
Yeah, and then on this, I'll reduce my risk. Okay, if
Okay,
I'm
cool.
risking 0.5 here, for this, I'll be
Mhm.
risking 0.3 or 0.2.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. And for me taking re-entries, let's say I took this trade here with 0.5 risk, and if I want to take re-entries, all of that re-entries, I'm going to reduce my risk 0.3, 0.3. Unless I've already unless I've already closed full profit from this one, then I might still enter this one with 0.5. But if this is still running, then I'll reduce my risk right here. Get that?
Okay,
Yeah, bro. Yep.
thank
So
you.
yeah. So anybody got any other question regarding anything at all? Last week's price action, psychology, next week price action, anything at all? Just let me know. Okay, Thursday NY session. Let's see. Okay, I think this was Thursday. Yeah, the buy were valid. The buys were valid. So let's see. Thursdays. I think I'm sure I sent this to the group. 15M, right, Gavin? Let's see it. Okay.
No, I thought it was a 5 minute PD.
Yeah, we'll look at that. Let's look at the 15 minutes first. Okay. Yeah. So on 15 minutes, we had this high, this low right here. So this low got taken out here. Hold on. Let's take out the session boxes. Okay.
He said something about TLQ.
Yeah, it said something about TLQ. I'm trying to see.
Oh,
I think I understand where it's coming from. These 2 points.
Okay.
But this is M15 external. This is M15 external. Then price
Yeah.
tapped into.
yeah.
Okay,
But
next.
if TLQ,
That
it
means
will
we didn't
be
sell.
aiming short, right?
Yeah, it remains short from here. It remains short from here. Somewhere around
Yeah.
here, the short keep on going lower. Okay. But I think Gavin, I sent a video recently explaining, I'm sure I explained this day's price action. Yeah, the last video I sent to the chat markup group. Yeah, I explained everything well, but we can also look at that. So we had this unmitigated weak coming, that price reacted from here, right? So what led to this buy? What led to this buy here was simply this. You know, if you have a subjective structure, we always want this liquidity to get taken out, right? And remember, I said whenever we have Asian high and Asian low, right? When price takes out any of them, we want to look to the left and see where price is coming from. Let's see if we'll be able to take a buy to target the Asian high. Reverse is the case. So now we are having a subjective structure here. Okay. Since we are having a subjective structure here, now price took out this BUS. This was an inducement high right here. Okay. So what price did on the 15 minutes at this point, price took out the BUS and then we got a reaction here. Okay, we got a reaction plus a weak Asian low was right above here. So price took that out and was reacting from here. So all we were looking at was to buy to go take out this high for this low to become a fake BOS, and then we want to short. Okay, so there are different possibilities. We can buy to target the inducement, then sell from the inducement to target the through break of structure. So on the 15 minutes, when price came into here, okay, this structure point, this already gave us a new 15-minute structure point. So this buying to fake to inducement was then from 30 minutes and 1 hour possible MSU that was in formation. So for this 15 minutes, we had all of this right here. We had all of this. So if we are looking, if you want to talk about TLQ, this was first level of structure. This was second level of structure right here. And after price took out second level of structure here, price was supposed to transfer money from here all the way into any POI and then short for the TLQ and not long. Okay, so this was what we were supposed to see for the TLQ to short. So maybe there was a short here and there was a short here, but price had to go take out a liquidity that was here because this was an inducement high on the higher time frame. So this was more stronger than our lower time frame TLQ. The 1 hour IDM stronger than 15-minute TLQ. That was why this sell right here was just a fake out for price to go take out that high. Okay, and for this, I'm sure there was an entry also here for the buy. Does that make sense now, Gavin?
Yeah. But if you look at the 5 minute, I think it's more clearer to look for this long and this long until here.
Oh, yeah, very clear now.
Yeah, it's very clear for 5 minutes. It's like, okay, this is the TLQ also. 1, 2, 2. And then in 1 minute, here is ILQ. to react from this POI. So it's like two confirmers for you to go long, and then here so 5 minute is ILQ EPA, and then 1 minute is also same. Yeah, so you can took another long. Yeah, this
Yeah,
is,
true,
but
true.
both I didn't took it. Yeah, I was
Okay.
doing
Yeah,
something else.
yeah, they were nice opportunity for buyers here. Buyers here until this high got taken out. After this high got taken out, then maybe we want to look for sell to go take out this low. But NFP did otherwise. It gave us liquidity that it had to go take out. Yeah. So this Thursday price action makes sense, right? And I'm sure this was a 30-minute week. And then on the M1, I know there was a violated PD also on the M1 time frame. Right here. Violated PD rejection candle for the buy. And then we still got SLQ for another buy here, one buy here, one buy here. Then this we had fake BOS inducement. Maybe this would be a loss. But then we had a clear PUI here that price had to come mitigate. So we got one entry, two entry, three entries. And then for here, we are waiting for mitigation here, but nothing happened. Maybe a price behavior here for the entry here. So we had like multiple entries for the buy. And also
But
price,
here is price behavior.
yeah, that was price behavior, yeah. Sure, sure. This was one price behavior. This was
Oh,
another
yeah,
price
yeah, yeah,
behavior.
yeah.
Get that?
Correct.
Yeah. And also price was still giving us like more opportunity for sell. But then they were all short-term sell. They were all trapped. Price just move and then reverse, move and then reverse. Okay.
Brother,
What?
just now you say, oh, sorry.
Yeah, go
You
ahead.
continue first. No, you answer his question first.
Okay. This was validated price delivery. Okay. Before then, we had this level. Then liquidity, price took out the liquidity, then took out this low. So this was VPD.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So Gavin said,
But
what?
it already took out here is still considered VPD because
Yes,
it's still inside this POI, is it?
exactly.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Understand.
Yeah. And then what time frame do you mainly focus on if you are trading intraday? 4 hours to 1 minute. Okay. Why we do go on a higher time frame is simply because we want to know the overall market intention. We want to know like the higher time frame point of view. If the daily is showing us sell, then trust me, on H1 we can see a short buy before the sell. So on intraday, right, I only focus on from 4 hours time frame, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and then M1. So these are the time frame for it intraday. And you can as well scrap the 4H and just use the H1 down to M1. Does that make sense? Let's see. Okay.
But it's just like I think focus on 15 and 5 minutes is already good enough for you to entry a good trade.
Yeah.
3 minute and 1 minute actually is also a lot of noises.
Yeah, true that. I know some traders who just trade the 15 minutes and 1 minute. So they want to see
Yeah.
all of their setup on 15 minutes, and then they use sometimes 5M and the M1 for entries. Yeah.
Yes, also. Correct.
Would you use H1 for buyers, then 15 minutes for if I would look for time frame for entries, it will not be 15 minutes. Although I can decide to see if the market is showing me a 15 minutes entry models, then that will be fine. I would want to take it, okay? But my entry time frame is majorly the M1, okay? So I can use H1 for buyers. Then the other time frame, 15M, 5M, 3M, I can use them to spot out the entry models, either the PB, PD, SLQ, or ILQ. Then finally, M1 for CSP and execution. Is that okay?
Brother, I want to ask, will you
Yeah.
enter one trade here?
Mm,
Because it's also a PD, right?
yeah, it's also a PD. It's also a PD. Yeah, this is also a PD by here, but this was L, another entry here. Yeah, so it
Okay,
depends
so
on
this is also a valid buy.
valid by. Yes, it is.
Okay.
Uh,
You
sorry,
say depends on what?
what day is this?
Sir,
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah. Yeah, Thursday. Yep. Think okay, yeah, nice. Everything good. You see how on M1 price was just showing us different things, lots of noise. But I want to take buy here, buy here, buy here. Like multiple entries or buy, but then I think clearer on higher time frames like
Yeah,
5
5
minutes.
minute and 15 minute, and it's very clear
Yeah,
that the good buy. I mean around all here. Even before the news, this is also a good buy. It took out the 15-minute SLQ and then react to BOI and
yeah,
then CSV directly.
to Asian high, exactly. That was a nice one. Okay, do you enter ILQ sweep with no mitigation or do you wait for mitigation? Now, I'm the type of player that always wants to wait for mitigation. Okay, the only time I would not wait for mitigation, that if CSC provided, is when I'm trading on the 5 minute time frame. Price can take out the 5 minutes ILQ, and then I see an M1 CSP, I would want to shoot. Okay, that's if there was no clear POI presented here, then I do this. But I always want to see mitigation plus entry models before I hop in trades. Okay. Yeah. I wait for EPA too. I wait for EPA. Price needs to be efficient. Okay. Yep. What if it's like this? Okay. Take BOS inducement through break of structure. MSUPY right here. For this, I'll wait for a confirmation here. If I get a mitigation, I'll wait for a confirmation here. Okay, either a PB, a PD, or what have you. In order to take the sell, if you're talking about this sell here, right, I would want to see a mitigation. I don't take sales this way. I would want to see a mitigation before I try to take a sell. But without mitigation, I won't take a sell because price can actually do this. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt. To continue this, so if this mitigate and then there's a POI here, if it come down here, will you take the buy also to hedge it?
Yes, that would be when I will hedge. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Because
But when you hedge it, and then how about the sell here?
good. Now, you see this question that you asked. I'll be hedging this. Now, when I hedge, I will then be confused. Should I take profit of this sell
Yeah.
or should I hold it? Okay, I'll be confused. That's why I don't really want to hedge. But if I hedge this way, if I hedge this, if this buy should move a little bit and I go break even, then I will take profit from the sell. I will take off 50% from the sell and then this already BE. So even if price goes back to it as our break even, then this one is already running. Or if this happens, this will be BE or a loss, but this will still be running 50%. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Alrighty. So anybody got any other question, any other thing that would like to clarify before we proceed? Ooh. Oh yeah, and I might not be 100% active this week trading. Okay, I might not be. I think I'll be busy with school and all of that. So, but I'll be active on the group chat, but maybe not looking at chat for a while. But I'll let you guys know how it goes, though. I'll let you guys know. Yep. So let's see how this week is going to be. Let's short till this low get taken out. But if there's buy opportunity, then maybe I might take it. But let's just see how it goes. Let's see. Yep. So Davidson, Altaf, Pascal, Gavin, JC. You guys got any other thing that you want us to clarify before we call it a day? Right.
No, I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
Yeah, not for me at the moment.
Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, somebody sent to chat. Okay, bro, no worries. Oh, it's nighttime over there. Okay. Good night.
Yeah, I
JC.
think it's like 8 p.m. for him. 8:30.
Yeah. 8:30. That's cool. How about you, Altaf?
Where is the location? Is he? I mean Jesse.
Yeah,
Australia.
Australia.
Oh, okay.
So I think it's 9 hours different from you guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
9 hours. Yep. How about you, Altaf? I'm expecting a message from Altaf now. Let's see. Oh. Yep. So I think that will be everything. Yeah, if you guys got any other question, right, you can just drop it on the group chat and we will clarify everything. Yeah, and Gavin, you can also watch the last video. I think, yeah, this was the Thursday EU trade review. You can watch this, just a 20-minute video. It explains everything about Thursday's price action. Alrighty. Yep. So everything good. We can end the session here, right?
Yes. Thank you, brother, for
Yeah.
taking your time.
No worries, bro. Thank you, guys. See you guys
Okay.
on
See you.
tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is Monday. And happy trading and all of that. Good luck, guys. Take care of yourself.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah, you too.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.
All right.